Rolling away clean, unveiling the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, roll away clean. This phrase isn't just about physical movement. It's imbued with deeper meanings and uses in everyday language. Let's dive into the world of this intriguing expression and uncover its various aspects. Roll away clean originates from a literal sense of something rolling away from a situation without any marks or dirt, implying a smooth, trouble-free movement. Imagine a ball rolling off a muddy surface but remaining spotlessly clean. This image captures the essence of the phrase, symbolizing an effortless, untroubled departure or escape from a potentially messy or difficult situation. In everyday language, roll away clean is often used metaphorically. It refers to a person or an entity successfully exiting a challenging, complicated, or potentially damaging situation without any harm or negative consequences. For example, if someone avoids getting blamed for a mistake at work, they have rolled away clean from that situation. To better understand this phrase, let's look at some examples. 1. After the scandal, the politician managed to roll away clean, with his reputation intact. 2. Despite the market crash, the savvy investor rolled away clean without any financial loss. These examples show how the phrase can be applied in various contexts, emphasizing a successful and unscathed emergence from tricky situations. In conversational English, you might hear roll away clean used in informal settings. It's a way to express admiration or surprise at how well someone handled a difficult scenario. For instance, I can't believe you managed to roll away clean from that meeting without any extra work. And that's a wrap on the phrase, roll away clean. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting expression and added a new phrase to your English vocabulary arsenal. Remember, language is not just about words. It's about the pictures they paint and the stories they tell. Keep learning and exploring, and you'll roll away clean in your language journey.